Hi, my name is David Margolin, and I'd like to welcome you to another edition of Forecast Contest Tips and Tricks. In today's edition, our focus is on performance metrics. I'm by no means a data scientist, but I have frequently worked with skill metrics over the years, and in this section, I'll share my thoughts and experiences on the application of skill metrics in weather forecasting. In order to measure the performance of your forecast strategy, you'll need to learn and apply some form of skill metrics. In deterministic forecasting, that is, forecasts that are not probabilistic, such as forecasting a max or min, it is common to use error and absolute error. These metrics provide a lot of information about the magnitude and direction of your errors. However, these metrics cannot be applied easily to probabilistic forecasting, and as such, they are not used in our subseasonal forecasting contest. Continuous rank probability score is, however, a well-established metric for probabilistic forecasting as it takes into account the entire forecast spread and provides a very straightforward output that can be interpreted similar to absolute error. Here's an example of our performance table in the forecast contest. On the left are your different inputs. In the middle is your performance column. And on the right is the number of forecasts, or the count. Now, CRPS, or continuous rank probability score, can also be easily converted such that you can show it relative to another benchmark. In this case, we're showing it relative to the 30-year mean. Positive values are forecasts that are performing better than the 30-year. And the negative values are forecasts that are performing worse than the 30-year. One disclaimer here, these forecast counts are still relatively low, and we haven't fully vetted the results. For more information on skill metrics, a quick Google search will provide a wealth of knowledge. That said, one of my favorite sites for metrics is NOAA's Glossary of Forecast Verification Metrics.